May bago si Hollyland, and this is the Hollyland Lark A1, and I'm very intrigued how this really performs. I'm going to unbox this in a little bit, but just to give you guys a quick preface, no, I am currently using this one. This is the Hollyland Lark AM2S. Now, I have been using this since after CES. And yes, I am using this on my Osmo Pocket 3, my smartphone, my FX30, A7C, and even the Fujifilm XM5. And yes, it works like magic. And now, Hollyland seems to be doing another attempt, to wow content creators with the new Lark A1. And this one is really more focused on those content creators who are using their smartphones to create content. At isa po ako doon, no? I'm using my iPhone, I'm using my Galaxies to be able to create content, especially if kailangan ko lang ng very quick run and gun setup. Minsan nga, when I was actually at MWC, ang gamit ko lang ay ito. This is the Osmo Pocket 3. You can't see it right now. This one, Action 5, and my smartphones. At with this kind of setup, in fact, with the Hollyland M2S pa lang, no, kumpleto na ako, no? I just really had to set everything up and that's it. I'm done. Now, with the Lark A1 wireless lavalier, no, it even opens this avenue to more people and you don't have to spend too much, okay? So again, let's go ahead and unbox the Lark A1. Yan, all right. We are here for you. Cool. And this is the device. And inside we've got here also, wow, a pouch. And inside the pouch, we've got a few more other accessories. We've got a windscreen, 2 of them. And we've also got a Type-C cable. So, now that we've unboxed everything, let's now show you the device itself. This is the Lark A1. Compare natin yung itsura ng kanyang case to the M2S. Okay. It's about 75% the size of the M2S. We've got here a Type-C port for the charging. And when you open it, well, bam! We've got here module for a Type-C and the one for a Lightning. We don't need the Lightning because we're using the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which uses the Type-C. Okay. All right, so now it's connected. As you can see right here, ayan, no, may ilaw na siya. And if I take out the this one, meron siyang cover dito. So tatanggalin natin yan. We have to reattach it. There. Matindi yung kanyang magnet. And connect ulit natin. Yan. Okay. Ayan na siya. And now, we're going to use an app called ProShot. So, with ProShot, makikita ninyo kung magagamit natin yung microphone. So, it says here wireless microphone, which is good. Switch natin yan. And then I'm going to use now the microphone. Yan. Okay, what's good about this is that this is a pill-sized at meron siyang magnet like that. Dahil matibay yung magnet niya, ayan na siya, oh. Galing. Hindi mo na kailangang hawakan kasi may mga ibang mga content creators na gustong-gusto yan. It's okay, I don't judge you. I won't judge you even. But if it works, it works. Wag lang sobrang lapit kasi pagka masyadong malapit ay pwedeng sumabog yung sound. Alright, and now let's go and test it. Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. This is a sample audio recording using the Hollyland Lark A1. Okay, cool. And this one naman is an audio recording using the Hollyland Lark M2S. That's not really bad at all. It's actually really good at production quality na siya, at least for me, no? And with the availability of the wind guards, I mean, this is going to really be helpful, especially when you are in windy places, no? Kung mahilig ka pa rin na hawakan yung microphone mo, I mean, this is going to be helpful for you. Like, hello? Okay yan, no? Really good. Hindi mo lang siya masasara, no, kapag naka-install yung wind guards. But that's okay. I mean, it can easily be removed and easily be attached as well. So, napaka-helpful nito, especially for either you are a starting content creator or a pro which is looking for a microphone that you can use for run and gun setup. Okay, so that's it guys. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Check out our full review of the Lark A1 on our website, where we do drill by drill discussion and comparison to our current lineup of microphones here at the studio. This has been Gian. See you in the next video. Bye.